A belt you'll start seeing more often in your shop is timing belt and oil. These belts are engineered with a highly specialized composition so they can run submerged in the oil pan.
They were ultimately designed to help automakers improve fuel efficiency, engine timing, and NVH issues.
Because these belts operate in oil and are exposed to harsh environments, they degrade over time. Several vehicles equipped with timing belts and oil are just now hitting service intervals, including a lot of EcoBoost engines like this one.
This is from a Ford F-150, which runs on a timing chain, but it has a hidden belt driving the oil pump located between the chain system.
Once you remove the valve covers, oil pan, and front engine cover, you can see the oil pump drive belt, and it's clearly worn well beyond its service life. Let's take off the right-handed timing chain components so we can remove and replace the belt. After the pulley bolt comes off, the belt easily slides off the crankshaft sprocket. To install the new belt, you just need to loosen the oil pump bolts a few turns, but don't remove them. Position the new drive belt onto the oil pump sprocket, raise the front of the oil pump, and tighten its bolts. A couple important takeaways. 1. This little belt should not be ignored. Old, worn-out belts can shed tiny pieces into the oil, restricting oil pickup screens and lowering pressure. Second, if you're working on a high-mileage engine, you should always replace the timing chain components when you replace an oil pump drive belt.